In this video, we'll show you how to use the department code system on a Toshiba eBridge Next series device. The department management system must be set up first by your administrator in order to use this system. To set up the department codes, please watch the video for setting up the department codes on an eBridge system. Once the user has selected the desired application, they will enter their department code into the system and press enter. The user will operate the device based on the functions that has been granted by their administrator. In the left hand corner of the screen, the user will see if they have an allowance, the allowance they have for color and mono, and this will show the remaining balance. Here we are going to show you how to use a department management system from a PC. You can also use Mac or the Toshiba eBridge print and capture application for a tablet or smartphone. The settings the user will be allowed will be based on the administrator setup. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to print from Windows. The user, in this case Word document, will select print, and in this case we have the print driver set to auto color. Select OK, select print, and the user will be prompted for a department code. Enter the department code, enter continue, and the document will be printed.